Hey, it's Cass. I'm from the Perris Library, and today we'll be making a popsicle house. The clear vinyl paper that I'm using is optional, but the rest you will need, like the glue gun, some scissors, box cutter, a marker, and of course, some craft sticks. If you didn't catch all that, don't worry, I wrote it down all for you. Just a reminder to please be careful using some of these materials, as you will need help from a parent or guardian using them. So to get started, please plug in your hot glue gun right now in the beginning of your craft, and as that gets warmed up, we're going to take out our craft sticks. You don't have to do this step, but I separated the colors so it would be easy for you to follow along. So 12 sticks fit into one horizontal stick. But before you start putting down sticks, make sure they're all flat and not curved like the one I just got right now. If you get a curved one, just put it to the side. What I'm going to do is put 12 in a row and then put 3 to support the back. The next thing I'm getting started is the doorway, and you need 4 on each side and then 2 on the top to hold it together. And then on the back, you're going to make like a slash to hold it all firmly together. For our window, instead of 4 on each side, we're going to just do 3 on each side to make it a little bit bigger. And just like in the doorway, we're going to put 1 on top, but this time put 1 in the middle. And you can continue doing it horizontally, but I prefer vertically. So I got my marker and measured where I needed to cut in order for it to still continue the vertical pattern. This next step is optional. This is where I get the vinyl clear paper and make my little windows. So now I have all 4 walls for my house. Now let's get started on the roof. And just like we did the wall, we are going to need 12 sticks that are flat and then do 3 in the back. The lights turned off on me, but don't worry, I did record everything again for you for the second side of the roof. And this time the lights did not turn off. So we are going to start with our base. I made it blue. You will need 10 sticks for the first half, and then you're going to put 3 in the back, and then for the second half you're going to put 10 and 2 sticks in the back, connecting them together to make them sturdy. Now that you have your base, you can start gluing in your walls. And I started with the back wall and the windows on the side and the doorway in the front. Once you get done gluing down your walls, you will see that there are gaps in between, but don't worry, I got a quick fix for that. And that's getting 3 sticks and then gluing one side together to the other side like this, making a little triangle. And then to cover up the hot glue on the side, you're going to put more glue on it and connect the last piece on there. Since we have 4 corners, you will want to make 4 and then 1 in green, and that's for later. So putting your orange ones first, but before you put them in, make sure to clean up your corners just so you have nice clean area to glue them on. Once you're done, you can start gluing in your roof. And in the middle, you are going to put down a lot of glue in, and then you're going to grab that green one we made and put it right on top, like this. Now that you're done with the house, let's start on our little fence in the front. So I chose the purple for our fence, and you're gonna grab your marker and measure where you're going to have to cut because it's going to be too long. So just grab your marker and then grab your box cutter and cut it up, and you're gonna make 4 of them. Alright, so you're gonna have 2 long ones, 4 short ones, and you're gonna have 4 little ones, but you only need 3. And so keep the other one to the side. And circling it down, the 2 short ones on the side and long one in the front, and then putting the little ones in the middle to connect them all together. And this is how your house should turn out. You don't have to do this, but I did decorate mine just to give it a little personal touch. Alright, let's move on to our book recommendation for this video. Our first book is Trees, Leaves, Flowers, and Seeds, written by Dr. Sarah Jose and consultant Dr. Chris Clement. This book is an encyclopedia for the plant kingdom and tells you everything you need to know about trees, leaves, flowers, and seeds. Our next book is Tidy by Emily Gravett. Pete the Badger likes things to be neat and tidy, but there are certain things that shouldn't always be tidy. What are those things? Check it out to find out. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you so much for watching!